Hi. Welcome to PDF.co. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to parse an order form with line items and total using PDF.co document parser. Let's start. I have a sample order form here that I'm going to use for this tutorial. First, go to your PDF.co dashboard. Then, click the Document Parser menu. On your Document Parser menu, click the New Template. Now that you're on the template editor page, load the sample PDF that you're going to use. Now, to start creating your template, click Add Object. Then, select the object that you want to use. To get the items inside the table, I'll be using the Add Table field based on text search object. Then, set the properties to get the items inside the table. I'll be showing you the properties that I used. You may pause the video to take a look at it. Now, to get the total, we need to add another object. I'll be using the Add field based on text search object. To get the total, set the expression to total, 2 open brackets, anything, 2 close brackets, open parenthesis, question mark, open angle bracket, value, close angle bracket, 2 open brackets, number, 2 close brackets, close parenthesis. Don't forget to put a checkmark and regex and change the data type into decimal or currency. Once you're done setting up the objects, you may now run the template. Here's the result using the template that we created. That's it for this tutorial. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our YouTube channel or on our website. Thanks for watching.